Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. Hope you guys are doing well. And thank you for spending your time on my channel. So, please note that all my card decks or readings are for confirmation only. So you would like to know, how can I heal this? Know that if there is no sense of if there is no sense of peace, anxiety and stress can actually affect your urinary system. Also know that a higher sense of purpose can increase your power and also improve your nervous system. It's okay to question your place in this world, but it's also important knowing how it can benefit you to expand your mind. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next reading. Bye bye.